చూపులలో కొంటెదనం, మాటలలో అల్లరితనం, కొత్తగా తెలుగు సినీ వాకిట్లలో వాలినటువంటి అందం. 'సవారీ' మూవీతో ప్రేక్షకుల మనసులను కళ్ళెం వేయడానికి వచ్చేసింది మన ప్రియాంక శర్మ. హలో ప్రియాంక జీ, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్ మై రిక్వెస్ట్.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. I'm still struggling with the framing because I kept it in the portrait mode. Hi.
Yeah.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. How is going on? COVID days?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Finally at least people are going back to the work and trying to
Yeah.
be normal.
Back to the world.
Back to the world, yes.
Yes. Yeah. పుట్టింది పెరిగింది ఎక్కడ ఏంటి, లైక్ యు వర్ బోర్న్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్?
Okay. Actually, I am from defense background. So I was born in UP, then brought up at different states. So ila undi. Background
Okay.
ante I think entire country is my background.
Good. Next coming to the
Studies, adi kuda different places, like different states. But I did my graduation and post graduation in Hyderabad. So like my higher studies I've done here in Hyderabad.
Oh, good. లైక్ మీ పేరెంట్స్ కి ఎప్పుడైనా అబద్ధం చెప్పారా, లైక్ మార్క్స్ గురించి, లైక్ స్కూలింగ్ ఆర్ కాలేజ్ లో?
Yeah. I was like maths ante like my biggest enemy. I hate maths. Yeah, so I've always lied about my marks in maths exam. But somehow they used to find it out because before PTA meeting you have to tell them kada.
Yeah, exactly.
So
Next.
this is how it was. Just for maths I used to lie.
Yeah, okay, good. And ఇప్పుడు లైక్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్
So
అంటే చాలా మందికి ఎనిమి, నాట్ ఓన్లీ యూ.
Yeah, it's just can't. Chemistry లేదు మ్యాథ్స్ కి, నాకు కెమిస్ట్రీ లేదు, మరి మధ్యలో ఏం చేయాలి? I tried a lot but maths is ditching me all the time, so I broke up.
Yeah, లైక్ మీరు యాక్ట్రెస్ అవ్వడానికి ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ పర్సన్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా? అదర్వైజ్ ఎనీ సిచ్యువేషన్, లైక్ ఎనీ మూవీ చూసి మీరు ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యారా?
Actually, movies ante I'm like someone who watches selective cinema. I'm not somebody who will go to every Friday and watch every film that is releasing. I'm very selective when it comes to films. So, and like I love being in front of camera. Like na school days nunchi I've been always participating in extracurricular activities, dances and skits and all. So I had an interest, kani adi hobby laga continue cheyali lekapothe profession laga adi it's a big deal because naku background ledu. So it's very difficult to go into a different industry and understand, like anybody can become an actor, but to survive here and to keep on growing, that growth is very important. If you're not growing as an actor, then there is no point of taking up that profession. So I was very scared, kani like touch wood, by God's grace it's going really good.
That's good.
And I'm really glad that I got to start my career from Tollywood. I don't think I feel there's no better industry than Tollywood, because I don't know, the kind of love and recognition you get here, I think that is unmatchable. That's so overwhelming, and people are not judgmental, not very judgmental. Like they see your performances, they don't care how good you look or how I mean, I feel people here compare performances and they give priority to performances and content, which is great.
Yeah. How you get Savari movie ఛాన్స్, లైక్ ఎవరు మీకు చెప్పారా లైక్ మూవీ ఛాన్స్ ఇలా ఉంది, లైక్ మీరు చేసిన ఒక్క షార్ట్ ఫిలిం, లైక్ ఎన్ని చేశారు మీరు షార్ట్ ఫిలిమ్స్ అసలు మీరు?
నేను యాక్చువల్లీ ఒకటే చేశాను, బంధం రిగర్. సో సాహిద్ సార్ వాజ్ ది డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ దట్ షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్. And he only called me for Savari. So he did the look test and all, and like that is how it came. I would just say I was lucky that I got Savari, but at the same time I had to go through a lot of workshops because koncham like na personality kanna adi chala different undi character movie lo.
Yes,
So
yes, exactly.
and Sahid sir is very particular about his casting, his actors and their performances. So it was a very good experience, very learning experience, I would say.
నైస్. లైక్ మీకు సవారీ మూవీ ఛాన్స్ వచ్చాక మీ ఫీలింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
I would say I've started taking my work more seriously after Savari.
ఆఫ్టర్
Because
సవారీ.
Savari ముందు నేను 2-3 cinemas చేశాను, but I was not, I think I needed that push which I got
Yes,
when
yeah.
I did Savari. So it just, it makes it ignites a flame in you. You get I mean, something, everybody waits for that one chance which strikes, which triggers the
Yes,
passion in you, and which makes you realize that this is not any, it's not all about wearing good clothes and looking all glamorous and then that's it. It's not like
yes.
that kind of a feel. It just looks like that from outside, but
Yeah.
no, acting is very different from that. So I
Yeah.
think it just, Savari made me realize how important it is to choose good films and how important it is to come out of your comfort zone and do characters which you probably in personal life will not relate with, but it's fun to play something that I'm not in my personal life. Like I just want to say it again, I just got lucky. I just
Yeah.
got very lucky that I got the film like Savari. I mean, I think this is the worst time, I would say, because for us it's very important that we need people to watch our films. What
Yeah.
is the point of making a film and it's not just a 2.5 hours entertainment? A lot of people, it's like almost 250 to 300 people who work for that one
Yeah.
project, and it's a months and hours and years that goes into
Yeah.
making that one film. So it definitely feels so so bad to see films are not getting a theater release, or even now people are also like scared, like if they should go or not, or
Not.
should they just watch it on OTT. I mean, it's just very scary. But I just
Yeah.
hope things go back to normal as soon as possible, so that
Yeah.
that is a charm. I mean,
Yes.
without you can't enjoy a film the way you enjoy it on a 70 screen. I mean,
Yeah, yes,
it
exactly.
cannot, your mobile
That
phone or
crowd
TV
and that papers and everything.
exactly, it just cannot justify that feeling, of
Yes,
seeing
exactly.
yourself on the screen. So I just hope it happens super soon.
It will come very soon, I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope 2021 is better, much, much better than 2020.
లైక్ అందరితో 2020 గేమ్ ఆడేసింది, లైక్ ఇయర్ అనేది.
Yeah.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
It was like God is playing Big Boss with all of us.
యా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
Inside our houses, I'm watching people, don't go out.
డోంట్ గో అవుట్.
Yeah.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. లైక్ మీకు సవారీ మూవీ వచ్చాక ఫస్ట్ ఎవరితో షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు? లైక్ మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ తో, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎవరితో?
My parents, sure, my parents, because I remember, the day I got the narration and everything, I told my parents, like, this is the movie and this is the kind of character I'm going to play. So if you see me with an old monk bottle, please just understand that I'm only acting. I'm not really drinking. It's not alcohol. It's just, some soft drink we have mixed with water. That's it. So, but it was fun. I think my parents were also very excited to see me on screen in that kind of a character. So it was very nice. Everybody was very excited.
మీరు చూసిన మూవీస్ అన్నిట్లో మీరు బాగా ఏడ్చిన మూవీ ఏమైనా ఉందా? లైక్ హిందీ ఆర్ తెలుగు ఆర్ ఎనీ లాంగ్వేజెస్?
I cry very easily. I'm a very emotional person. I saw
The
recently.
character difference in Savari. You are not looking like that.
Very, very different. Very different. Even in Savari also, when my my pinny and my stepfather, when he starts beating Nandu's character Raju, even that time also I was like, I know the story, I know everything, and when I saw it on screen, I had tears in my eyes, like, dude, why are you beating him? Don't hit him at least. So I am like very emotional person. I cry for every second movie, so it's like normal. It's very normal for me.
Okay. And లైక్ మీ సవారీ మూవీ టైంలో ఈ ఫీల్డ్ కి వచ్చాక మీ బెస్ట్ మూమెంట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Um, I would say my best moment. I have so many actually. It's just too tough to find one out of them. But I think when I did Bandham Regad,
Yeah.
I was nominated for the Best Actress
Yeah.
category for SIMA Short Film Awards.
Yes,
So
yes.
that was my first award event, and I went there and I saw all these big actors, big celebrities. I've seen them since ages. I was so starstruck that time, and I actually forgot that I'm also nominated. I was like, dude, I just have to see everybody, and I have to see how it's, how red carpet happens, and all of that. So I think that was one of my best moments, because I have waited, and I think every actor waits for those kind of moments. So that was like a big thing for me to
Now
go,
you are a
and
big
I was
celebrity.
nominated also. I don't think so, and not in my head. and there are so many moments where I feel like I think it's whatever we dream about certain things in life. When they actually start happening in our life, it takes time to sink in. So I would
Yes,
say I'm
exactly.
still sinking in with all the recognition and love I'm getting, and I'm just very grateful for that.
లైక్ మీకు షూట్ టైమ్ లో ఒక క్రేజియస్ట్ థింగ్స్ ఏమైనా జరిగా, లైక్ ప్రాంక్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్?
I think there is a prank video on YouTube.
Yes,
A lot of people have
with
seen it. I
Nandu
think you
and
have seen
everything.
it as well.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
I am definitely not the right person who can actually prank anybody else. I am the one whom everybody will, crack
Easily prank
all
you.
the pranks. I'm the victim. I'm the victim of all those pranks.
That time also
So,
you
but
cried
I think,
very well.
yeah, I cried a lot. See, now you know how emotional I am. I cry
Yes,
on
exactly.
every little thing. It's like a daily routine for me. If I'm not crying, then there is something wrong with me.
That prank
So
video starting onwards, you are fully
I was
filled
about
with.
to, because because like I don't usually get late. I mean,
Yeah.
for me, it's a very I start panicking if I'm getting late. And that day I got late by 1 hour. I was like, I'm screwed now. I don't know how am I going to have. But I think I have to say that Nandu and Kiran, they both planned it so properly, and it was Nandu's
Yeah.
idea to do it, because he knew that Priyanka never likes to get late to the sets or what. So he knew where to trigger me, and he did that.
లైక్ మీ వర్డ్స్ లో నందు కోసం.
Nandu is a gem of a person, super humble, and he's really positive, really positive guy.
మీరు ఈ సినీ ఫీల్డ్ కి వచ్చాక మీకు టఫ్ గా అనిపించిన సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
I think a lot of things we create in our minds also without knowing how things are actually. I don't want to generalize it for other people, but at least in my case, I was very scared during all my initial times when I used to even go for auditions, or I used to go for shoots and all. I used to be super scared, because I come from a very secure and very protected background, and suddenly we hear a lot of wrong things about a particular industry. So
Yes.
I was very well aware of what to do if you find somebody who's threatening or some way disturbing you. You should
Yeah.
always know how to deal with it. And I think I have a very strong personality that way. I mean, I'm very clear in my approach, and I do my proper homework before I go for any meeting, and I don't go alone. I always either my manager will come with me, or one of my parents will come. Usually my manager will
Yeah.
come with me. Till now, touch wood, by God's grace, I think I've met very good people, and I've worked with very good teams. So till now, my experience has been really great. But I think, yes, I think good and bad exists everywhere. So we
Yeah.
can't generalize, and we can't blame one particular industry for that. And I think being a girl or boy, whatever it is, you should always be aware of the pros and cons, and you should be always prepared enough. You should always be prepared for best and worst in life. So that
Yes.
is one funda which I really follow. And touch wood, I haven't really met anybody who I felt was threatening to me.
Yes. అండ్ లైక్ మనలానే ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది మీలానే కష్టపడి ఇండస్ట్రీకి రావడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు. సో అలాంటి వారి కోసం చాలా మంది మీరు అన్నట్టు చాలా రూమర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఇండస్ట్రీలో, సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో అంతా చాలా రాంగ్ గా వెళ్తుంటుంది, మీరు ఆ ఫీల్డ్ కి వెళ్ళొద్దు, లైక్ అలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంటారు. లైక్ అవేర్నెస్ కోసం వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అవ్వని, లైక్ వాళ్ళ రిలేటివ్స్ అవ్వని, సంబడి. సో వాళ్ళకి యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలని ఉండేటప్పటికి పక్కన ఉండే వీళ్ళ వల్ల సో వాళ్ళ డ్రీమ్ అనేది వారు అచీవ్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నారు. సో అలాంటి వారి కోసం మీరేమైనా చెప్పగలుగుతున్నారా? లైక్ వాళ్ళ
Out of my experience, yeah, I would say that patience is the key to everything in life. If you
Yes.
have patience, you should understand that media field or acting field is highly competitive, and
Yes.
there is no limit to hard work here. We work in two shifts, like double shifts and triple shifts also we
Yes,
do without
exactly.
even getting rest. So that is the reality, that is the amount of hard work people put in making
Yes.
one film. So please be aware of the kind of hard work which will be expected out of you. You have to be not just physically fit but also mentally prepared and fit for it, and then you should think of coming here. Also, I would say it's a very competitive field, and it's very easy to blame a particular industry. If I'm not going to defend people who, because I always believe that there are good people and bad people everywhere. So
Yes.
there can be people who might be who might have gone through something wrong, but I would just say that please be prepared, always do your homework, always research about the people you're going to meet. There is absolutely no need and no desperation of going and meeting people you have no idea about, because I believe that there's no harm in cross checking people.
Yes,
Because
yes.
there are so many people who will fool you saying that, oh, I'm so and so manager, I'm so and so director, this and that.
Yes.
So, and problem with us is that we don't have any idea. Like this
Yes,
is one
exactly.
such profession where you don't write any entrance exam. There is no rule book to it
Yes.
for the entrance.
Yodkar.
So always be very prepared and understand that you are jumping into a field which has 100 ways of entering. There's
Yes.
no one way entry. There are 10 different ways you can enter. So please be very prepared and be very clear what kind of work you want to do and what kind of people you want to work with, and have a lot of patience. That your patience will be definitely tested here.
Yes,
So
exactly.
there's no harm.
There is
This is
24 craft is
at least
there.
I am. Yes. So I would say, please, if you aspire to to become an actor, please come, go to the auditions, and be prepared to face rejections. It's just going to it will happen. It's a part of your life. So don't think that you'll go and somebody will land up a project to you immediately. That happens, but only if you're lucky.
Yeah.
So just be prepared for best and worst, but always do your homework properly and then go.
ప్రెసెంట్ మీరు చేస్తున్నటువంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? లైక్ బొమ్మల కొలువు, ఐ థింక్ బొమ్మల కొలువు ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్, రైట్?
It's we have wrapped up the talkie part. We are just left with a song.
Okay.
But we wrapped up the talkie part.
Okay. Any other projects is going on?
There are, but I'll let you know. Not now.
Okay.
Just a couple of weeks, and then definitely I'll let you know.
Okay. Finally, you're coming to rapid fire. Your favorite sports?
Badminton and cricket, if I can say two.
Okay. Favorite food?
Anything vegetarian. I love paneer. I'm obsessed with paneer.
No. Have you ever stolen some little things in big mall?
No, never in mall. They have CCTV cameras everywhere. How can you do that? No.
Any other way?
Yeah, I have. But then I tell them, like, I've taken this, I liked it, so I'm taking it from you. So it's fine. I tell them. I don't like steal it and not even tell them. I tell them. I did that once or twice, but not anymore.
Okay. మీరు ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేసే వర్డ్ లైక్ తెలుగు ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ ఎనీ లాంగ్వేజెస్?
I'll tell you. Telugulo I'll use Andi a lot. Thanks Andi. Yeah.
Like మీరు
kada I'll use kada a lot. Ila cheyochu kada.
Kada.
Kada is like, I use this word a lot.
No. సోషల్ మీడియాలో చూసినటువంటి బెస్ట్ మీమ్, మీ పైన వచ్చినటువంటి బాగా చూసి నవ్వుకున్నటువంటి మీమ్ ఏదైనా ఉందా?
Actually, there was this poster in which I was holding this alcohol bottle in my hand. Savari poster.
Yes,
so
yes.
somebody made a meme on me, and in that Vijay Deverakonda was there, Arjun Reddy movie, and then there was me. So that they related it with the alcohol thing. So that was very funny.
ఓకే, లైక్ సవారీ మూవీలో మీకు ఇష్టమైనటువంటి డైలాగ్స్ ఒక 2.
అయ్యో, dialogues. I was not prepared.
సవారీ మూవీ రీసెంట్లీ.
Yeah. For you it's recent, for me it's not recent. Okay. ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంది, అది జనతా బార్ లో, when Baggy is like full drunk, she ran away from her wedding. Raju will come and Raju starts talking all silly things to her, so she'll get irritated and she'll say, నువ్వు చూస్తే ఏంటి, చూడకపోతే ఏంటి, నా లైఫే బర్బాద్ అయిపోయింది. She says like that.
Yes. One more.
Yeah. One more, huh?
Yes.
Oh my God, I have to watch my movie again to remember my dialogues. ఇంకొక చిన్న డైలాగ్ ఉంది, అది ఉండిపోవ సాంగ్ లీడ్ సీన్ లో. So that is when Baggy starts falling for Raju. So she tries to, come with him everywhere possible. So she asks him, ఇంకేమైనా పని ఉందా? So Raju says, ఇట్లా సవారీకి పోవాలి. So Baggy says, నేను కూడా వస్తా.
లైక్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ సవారీ, ఎనీ అదర్ మూవీస్, లైక్ మీరు చూసిన రిమైనింగ్ మీకు ఇష్టమైన మూవీస్ లో ఫ్రమ్ డైలాగ్స్, బెస్ట్ డైలాగ్, తెలుగు, హిందీ ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఎనీథింగ్.
It's very right now I have nothing, like I have a blank mind right now. No, ledu, aim ledu ippudu. It's all blank right now. I'm very bad at remembering my dialogue or any dialogue. I just watch it and then that's it.
Okay. Crush from school days or college or industry, anyway.
Okay, industry. Okay, industry I'll say. Naku Allu Arjun garu chaala ishtam. You call it
Allu
crush, you call it whatever it is. Yeah. But I really like him.
Like ఇప్పటి వరకు మీకు వచ్చిన ప్రపోజల్స్?
నేను కౌంట్ చేయలేదు.
కౌంట్లెస్?
కౌంట్ చేయలేదు, అంతా అనుకోలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ, టు బి ఆనెస్ట్. ఐ మీన్ అదే అంత సీరియస్ గా యాక్చువల్లీ అనుకోలేదు.
ఓకే, సో ఫైనల్లీ 2 questions. లైక్ వన్ ఈజ్ సాంగ్, ఉండిపో సాంగ్ అనేది పాడాలి.
I knew it. I was like, okay, this will be my first interview where I'm not singing. I was thinking like that.
ప్రెసెంట్ మన ఆడియన్స్ థియేటర్స్ అన్ని రీఓపెన్ అయ్యాయి, సో మీరు మన ఆడియన్స్ కోసం ఇచ్చే ప్రికాషన్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సజెషన్స్ ఇదే?
See, I would say that please take very good care of your hygiene, because the pandemic still there. Maybe we have come out of the lockdown and all, but pandemic is very much there. So please make sure that you wear mask, you carry your own personal bottles of sanitizers. Don't depend on the the premises and public places where you find that it's good to use that one also, but carry your own bottle of sanitizer and make sure that you practice social distancing. I feel in India social distancing is very difficult. I mean, we are not used to it, but at least for the sake of the pandemic and the situation that's happening, please take care and do go and watch movies in theaters, but make sure that you take care of your health first. That is very important.
Okay, finally ఆడియన్స్ కోసం, మా అందరి కోసం, సవారీ మూవీలో అటువంటి సాంగ్, ఉండిపో సాంగ్.
నాకు కొంచెం లిరిక్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇలా మేబీ I might make mistake.
No problem, మేము అడ్జస్ట్ అవుదాం.
Please excuse that. Okay. Sorry. నాలోన నువ్వే చేరిపోయావా నీ చెరిమినే నాలో నింపవా ఓ I fall in love నీ మాయలోనే ఓ I fall in love తెలిసిందా ఉండిపోవను విలా రెండు కళ్ళ లోపల గుండె చాటులో ఇలా తెపి ఉప్పనే కదా నువ్వే నాకు సొంతమైన ఏకాంత మంత్రమై నిన్ను చూడనంతగా ప్రేమించాను నిన్నుగా
వావ్,
అంతే
సూపర్ సూపర్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
లైక్ మీరు సింగర్ గా కూడా ట్రై చేయొచ్చేమో ఇండస్ట్రీలో.
అవును కదా చేయాలి యాక్చువల్లీ if any music composer is watching this interview please call me
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ టు మై ఇంటర్వ్యూ.
thank you it was
So-
a pleasure, super good, super fun, I really enjoyed.
యా, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank
ఫర్
you.
కమింగ్ టు మై ఇంటర్వ్యూ.
Bye
బాయ్ బాయ్.
same here, I had so much fun, bye, take care.
బాయ్ బాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi guys, this is Priyanka Sharma. Please like, share and subscribe to Crunchy Kabardu.